Jana amepigwa shilingi ya faini shilingi 500. Ukikosa kulipa unaenda jela.
Institution is a leading institution in Nyandarua. It was actually the best performer in Nyandarua in 2018 in KCPE. So it's not an ordinary school. It is an exemplary, it is a center of excellence in terms of performance. And the first, that, and the fourth accused persons were arrested not in the examination center, but at the residence of the first accused. No compelling reasons have been advanced by the prosecution to deny bail.
Cash bail or good, and I assure this court that I will avail myself when required, and also not interfere in any investigation that has not yet been done. And the same I request for, I have an appointment next week with my employer at the TSC on the same matter.
Number one, accused may be released on a bond of 100,000 with the strength of a similar amount, with the alternative to a cash bail of 50,000. Number two, the accused persons are ordered here to report to the investigating officer, that's the DCA officers of Karau, every fortnight, unless dispensed by this court.